Good afternoon, everyone. This is Uncle Mark. Today, I'm back out on the grill, cooking fat, juicy T-bone steaks. I would have cooked some chicken, but I didn't defrost any. So, went to the store and got some T-bone steaks that were on sale. And that's what I'm doing now. Let's see, I think these might be a little bit done. No, not yet. What is this one? Oh, whoa, that's 145. Okay. That's 145. I'm going to take that one out. Take the far one out. Put the far one in here. Take the far one out and put it in here. So let me do that real quick. Look at that. Look at that. See, that's some good for eating right there. Some good eating right there. So that's what I'm doing on the grill right now. This may be barbecue number 10, I believe. But time for me to flip these bad boys right in. I think my alarm went off. Ooh, yeah, look at that. All right. Let's see what this one turned into. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. I'm a professional griller. I told you when I was going to take over in the ranks. I told you, well, this is what I'm cooking for today. Juicy, delicious T-bone steaks. And please remember, everyone, to treat each other with kindness and respect. And hopefully they'll treat you with kindness and respect. Alright, thank you for watching my videos.